Man, do we got a slick 250-gallon offset pit rolling out shop today. This one going to my man Clyde. Beautiful setup here, single axle trailer, got the 6-gallon fryer, stainless steel prep top on the back. Let's check her out, guys. So on the pit, this is our standard 250, all right? It's got the patina finish. So we got a big selection of tank out here, guys. You go through, pick out the tank you want. We do all our metal work, clean it up, clear coat it. Really brings out that patina look that Mother Nature has worked very hard on. Now, yes, it will continue to weather and rust underneath the clear. That's why we call it patina finish, right? That all makes sense. Now, inside, we got something a little special, though. We've got our stainless steel round bar grates, all right? Still have the sliding top racks. We've got all stainless tubing and stainless round bar. Very easy to clean, not gonna rust up on you. He's actually had us add a couple extra grates in the caps on each end of the smoker as well to utilize all that space. Got the TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers there in the doors as well. Fold down stack, that is standard on all tank smokers, guys. On the trailer, he's got our single axle trailer, 3,500 pound axle. He did add our stainless steel fender toppers. That way you're not messing up the top of your fenders. Our smaller trailers like this one are powder coated as well, guys. Now on the firebox here, fully insulated firebox, all right? We got 3/8 thick pipe here, right with insulation. Doors insulated, front of the pit, or front of the firebox insulated as well. Holds heat great, makes it extremely efficient. On the passenger side here, we've got one of our stainless prep tops, so this folds up. You got all your storage underneath, fold it back down, prep off of it, serve off of it, you're ready to go. Little storage along the back side, and then up front, we've got a 6-gallon double basket Cajun fryer. Simple little setup right here, guys. Got the propane tank mounted up here. So that's a nice setup going out to my man Clyde, guys. Y'all know the deal. If you need a custom rig built, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.